Hi guys, it's Bella and welcome back to my channel. So I know the lighting is really weird and I apologize, but I am in my car right now because Valentine's Day is upon us. And I want chocolate. Yeah, basically that's what's going on. So I am at my local Dollar General and I'm gonna go get some chocolate stuff for my friends and my family and myself, because I am my own Valentine. Let's go get some chocolate, shall we? It smells like a dollar store in here. I would just like us all to acknowledge what a beautiful angle that was. Yeah, you might be getting some more of that, so enjoy. So I want to find jars to put this stuff in. So let's go look for that. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got. I obviously went to the dollar store because it's the thought that counts, okay people? Here's my goods. I got a thing of Sour Patch Kids. These are for my brother. He really likes them. I was going to get him dots. Yes, I know. He loves dots. I don't understand it either. But they didn't have any. So yeah. And then I got some Hershey's Kisses. Why did I say that so weird? I don't know. And some peanut butter hearts. These really cute llama pouches. Anyway, my plan is to put the peanut butter hearts and the chocolate kisses in the little pouches and just, you know, be the most thoughtful person in the world for a mere $7.35. So, yeah, I think I need to test one of these. That's very important. Oh my god, I'm not kidding. This is... how you solve that issue. I'm not gonna lie, this bag is suspiciously dusty, so let's just have a nice quick taste test and see how this goes. Wow. Okay, these are pretty good. Let's drive back home. I will assemble my Valentines like the amazing and thoughtful person that I am. And let's make some cookies because I'm going to be by myself this Valentine's Day, you know, and I need to treat myself. Treat yourself. Okay, let's go. Happy Valentine's Day! This is my little Valentine's outfit of the day. I didn't really pick it out with that in mind, but I'm wearing this floral shirt. It's from TJ Maxx, like basically everything that I own, and some skinny jeans and these boots and this pink bag, which is my absolute favorite. And so we got some flowers, some pink going on. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so I am home and my hair looks questionable. We're gonna go with that, but I wanted to make myself some cookies because why the heck not? And these are ones that I've never tried before, and obviously I got pre-made, not pre-made, but like the kind that you just bake because I'm feeling really lazy. So let's do a fun taste test. Yep. That's what we're doing. Here is the product of the day. I've had the Christmas kinds of these like sugar cookies and they're so good. So let's break these bad boys open. Oh my god, they're so cute. $3.75, my lord. Well, now we're good. Bake 8 to 10 minutes. I think I can handle this. Let's do this thing. We're just gonna take these beautiful specimens and just there we go. How are these going to hold their shape? Like, I don't understand how that is going to work. And voila, my beautiful handiwork is done. And also, I don't know what happened to this poor fellow. I guess we'll find out if he survives, but yeah. While we are waiting for our oven to heat up, why don't we just listen to some fun Valentine's jams. Also, I'm really sorry. I know I look like I'm bald. I'm working on it, okay? But anyway, let's listen to Ariana Grande because her album just came out and it is amazing. I'm obsessed with it. Let me know what your favorite song is down below. Yeah, my favorite is like all of them. But if I'm being honest, Break Up With Your Girlfriend, I'm Bored is like definitely a bop. I wish I could do that. This is gonna be such a copyrighted video. And is ready. Who's ready to get tan? Okay. Here we go. We're going. Okay, guys, have fun. Let's put some chocolates in bags because we love our friends and family, okay? What am I doing? Let's whip out these beautiful llama drawstring treat bags. I'm hoping that these actually have like drawstrings in them because it doesn't really look like they do. I figured it out, yay! Like a beautiful small llama printed trash bag. Okay, whoops. I just spilled the peanut butter hearts all over the place. We're just gonna pop some of these babies in here and then attempt to open this. I'm just gonna make some more of these bad boys and hopefully not mess it up. Look at these babies. Nice. We're gonna have a pink one because why the heck not? It is time for the long anticipated taste test. Look how freaking cute this cookie is and it smells really good. So here we go. Yes, it is delicious and I'm not shocked. It's so good. Oh no. Okay, you guys, I know that was a super random video and it was kind of a mess and it was also pretty short. Yeah, but anyway, I just really hope you like it, and if you too are spending Valentine's all by your lonesome, you know, make some cookies, make some Valentines. It's a good time. Yeah, but I hope you guys have a splendid Valentine's Day. And please subscribe to my channel because that would be the best Valentine's Day gift ever. Yeah, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!